This is a 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, performance tires, 17-inch wheels, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 42,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Dick Smith Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 9505 East Highway 350 in Raytown.